Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock audio in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can go ahead and access. You have your audio recorder and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and be starting with showing you how to unlock your audio. And to be able to do that, you want to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here, which is going to go ahead and open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording our tracks. And what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner to click this edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see here, I have my drum, I have my keyboard track, my audio recorder, and so on. And what we can do guys now we get starting to unlock our audio is to go ahead and open it up in FX. Basically, you will not have the options as the same on Mac. You cannot unlock them and lock them directly right here. As you can see, once you tap on that, you do not have the lock button. What we want to do is select our track and click the FX button at the top of the screen. After clicking on FX, this is now going to go ahead and enable us to lock and unlock our filter and repeater. So what you can do is go ahead and click on this button right here. As you can see, it's going to change it to lock mode. And if you want to unlock it guys, what you have to do is tap on the button again. This is now going to unlock your audio and your track, and you can use it normally, and this is how you get started with doing so. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.